Vivo Next, the first commercial smartphone to feature a pop-up selfie camera, which revolutionized the smartphone industry by giving a solution for notchless full-screen smartphones, which was later implemented on most of the newer smartphones, most prominently the flagship phones, and recently can be seen on mid-range devices as well. After that, they came with a two-screen smartphone named Vivo Next Dual Display. The second screen or the rear screen acted as a mirror and at the same time used the main powerful camera for selfie, and could also be used as a rear-mounted gaming pad. And now there is a news circulating that there will be a new model named Vivo Next 2, the successor to Vivo Next, and it has some interesting camera solutions to offer to get the full screen experience, and it is said to adopt a new detachable camera technology which will help in keeping more screen to body ratio. We no more require motorized camera or punch hole or any kind of notch. From the renders, it looks like a triple camera setup with a flash, and which could be detached from the rear of the smartphone and can be attached on the screen wherever you want. It's said to have a magnet which attaches itself to the screen, and you can take selfies with that. Is it feasible to do so? What do you think? At the moment, there is no information regarding the hardware, but soon there will be more leaks available to share. Do you think we should stick to the pop-up selfie camera or try these kind of new things? Do comment. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace out.